Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Polygon still rising here. We have some short-term downside, which I don't have a lot of confidence in anymore, to be honest. So let's just take a look at the chart. So for me, this here still the wave 1 as an impulse, this the wave 2 as the correction. Next we come into the wave 3, or maybe we are in the wave 3 already. Problem is now with we have quite a strong decline here. Alternatively, the wave 2 will be here. Yeah, we don't know that yet. This green area that I did formulate or calculate weeks ago, which was obviously reached, was basically only touched. So without a problem, the price could still come into it again without if we don't break the 94 cent level. So let's zoom in. Basically, the assumption is at the moment that we are in this first wave of the third wave to the upside. We have come into my reversal area here. I made you aware that we are probably going to get into this when we were here basically at the top. The problem with it is that we are now really trying to max it out, I think. So this can still be a short wave 4, quite a strong wave 4. But it's really getting to its limits and it needs to turn now. I mean, to be fair, we see on the 4-hour chart here now a green engulfing candle, so maybe it is turning now, but it really needs to move. It really now needs to move. If it doesn't, and if it drops below it, we are suddenly morphing into another pattern. Now, at the moment, I do count this move up in the wave 1 as an impulse. So I say this is a wave 1. This here is a wave 2. The wave 3 will be finished in the next leg up. There will be a 4 and a 5. And in this blue count, we have done a wave 1, we've done a 2, we've done a 3, then a wave A down, an overshooting wave B, and we're coming down in an expanded flat in a wave C. This is possible, but if we drop below 80 cents, I cannot count this anymore as an impulse. And then we would move up in a 5, you know, if we hold the 80 cents. If we don't hold the 80 cent level, what is happening? Are we suddenly going to flip bearish? No, I don't think we're going to flip bearish. There is still another opportunity for the price to move up. And we did get high enough to count this, yeah, as a wave 3 in some kind of a diagonal pattern. So what I can do, can draw a channel here. So we say, all right, we've got waves 1 and here, right, that would be a channel. And then I draw the channel. But in this channel, we must not go basically below the channel low, yeah. So if we talk about, yeah, maybe the 78 cent level, it could, I think, you know, it could in an extreme case come down to 75 cents to the previous wave 2 low, but that would be really, really maxing out and you lose already a lot of confidence. So it could drop slightly. It could drop slightly below this box, and then I would count it as a diagonal, but it really ideally turns now. If it doesn't, then okay, I give it a chance to find support here at the channel. If it doesn't do that, then we might have to move to something different, and I would say that the wave B was probably never finished, yeah, and we come down in a wave C here to the downside, and the wave 2 will be in here, which would give most people who want to another opportunity to buy in if they missed buying in here when we touched the area, okay? Or alternatively, this could be a that would be a very rare one here, W X Y X Z correction, which is also possible. It doesn't really make a great difference now. If I just move the wave B over, or if we have a WXYXZ, it is a very complex correction. It happens very, very rarely, but it is possible. It's a very weird chart anyway, coming down here in this long correction. So we'll see. I guess in the next few days we'll know more. Point is here, we can draw a trend line as well, which is probably why we found here some resistance. It's basically like a sort of channel, yeah, which is forming here, or some kind of a massive bull flag. We'll see. If the price pushes through that to the upside, it would be a confirmation that we are here still ongoing in our move to the upside, and the breakout point would be, well, yeah, 94, 95 cents would be important, but already a move above the 94 is that wave B high, but already a break above the wave 3 high would be important at basically 85 cents. And then there's the wave 3 high and the wave B high here, the small wave B, that would be a breakout point at 86 cents, and then we can push higher. Sort of, if we talk about the wave 5 target, we can calculate that as well, but it depends on where the wave 4 ends really. But I can give you the textbook target for that wave 5, and that would be taking the 2.618 FIB extension. No, I mean, we're talking about 94 cents here. I don't think we'll get there, but maybe we'll get the 200% extension at 91 cents in wave 3 or wave 5 of 3. Yeah. So technically everything above the wave 3 will be okay, but I would target sort of the region between 88 cents and 91 cents. So the 1.618 extension and the 200% extension. Let's see if we get there. But for me, the chart, even if we get an extended correction here, nothing really bearish on this chart until we drop below the 46 or 47 cent level. Only then the general bullish assumption that we have here a wave 1 and a wave 2 will be increasingly challenged. And at the moment, this is all still okay. Okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.